Hello everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I am super excited to share with you our new feature in our latest release. You are now finally able to add multiple pictures to an item. This is a feature that I've been wanting to have available for everyone for a while now, and it's finally here. I'm super excited to show you how to use it. And you can use this feature in default and batch mode. And at the end of the video, stick around and I'm going to show you another little tip that we have in the app. Before we get started, if you like this type of content, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you are notified every time I release a new video. And at the end of the video, if you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button. So now let's get started, and I'm going to show you how to use this super cool new feature. As I've mentioned in previous videos, here at Everspruce, we want to keep the app as simple as possible, but very powerful. So all these new added features that we are releasing into the app is available to you if you feel you need it. So everything's in the settings, and you are able to decide which of these features are useful for you. Okay, so now we're going to open up the Everspruce app and we're going to add an item, and then I'm going to show you how this new feature works. So here we go. So I'm going to go to settings, and then I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and then here you can see number of photos per entry. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and then I have set mine to 2, so go ahead and click OK. So you have a choice between 1 to 10 photos. So for this example, I'm going to set it to 2. So I'm going to click OK, get out of settings. I'm going to go ahead and click on add a new item. We're just going to say master closet. And then I have my little handbag here. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 pictures of it. And then you can see right here it says take 2 pictures of your items. So I'm going to go ahead and take 1, 2. And now it tells me to go ahead and name my item. Color. I'm going to click done. So we have 1 item, okay. Oops. And then you can see now, I'm going to click save. And when I go into the details, there's the 2 pictures I took. So, for this feature, it's good if you have items where there's a document with this item. Like I could have taken a picture of the receipt for insurance purposes, or any other item where you want a specific document with the item. You can take a picture of the item and the document as well. And so that will be recorded for you and your records in the Everspruce app. So that's what I feel is important about this feature. So anything I have a valuable where there's a receipt or authentication of the item, I can attach that with the photo. So it's all recorded and secure in the Everspruce app for me. So that's huge for me for my collectible items or anything I have a value in my home inventory. So next we're going to show you an example of how to use this in batch mode. So we're going to go back into the Everspruce app, and I'm going to turn on batch mode. There we go. And I'm going to add new items. So I just have a couple things here, random things we can use for this example. And so this remote, and again, we have 2 pictures. So there's our 1 item right there with the 2 photos. And then let's use my keys. There you go, the 2 photos are there. So you go ahead and click save. And then it's on your task list to go back to and name everything when you have time. So, you know me, batch mode is my favorite. So, and I also wanted to mention, when you're in batch mode, you actually don't have to take the number of pictures that you selected in your settings. So, I selected 2. But if I'm in batch mode, so we're going to just kind of do the exercise over again. Here, we're going to add a new item, family room, let's say my reading glasses. If I click that, and I actually only need one photo of this, I don't need two, and you're in batch mode, you can go ahead and click save, and it will add it to your task list. So it does slow down the process a little bit, because if you've got a bunch of items and you're just wanting to take a bunch of pictures, but if you're in batch mode and there's one item where you only want to take one photo, go ahead and click save. It will add it to your task list, and then just go back to add a new item, and you can continue taking your photos of all the items that you wanted to batch together. So that's just one little thing to note when you're in batch mode using this feature. And another way to organize your items when you're in batch mode, like if there's certain items you only want to take one picture of, and then there's a group of items you want to take two pictures of, maybe you just put those items together that way, and then go back to settings and set the number of pictures you want for those group of items to keep your process going faster. So that's just one thing I wanted to mention when you are in batch mode. So the bonus tip that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So now you are able to, when you take a photo and you go into the details page, you can tap on the photo and you can zoom in on the picture. I love this. So I have to thank one of our users who asked for this feature, and I was so happy, and I thought it was a great idea that now we are able to deliver it to this user. But I didn't think of it myself, and a user wrote in and asked if this could be added to the Everspruce app, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. So great feature. So yeah, so keep those requests coming in. I love the ideas you have to help make Everspruce better for you, for our little community. So keep those requests coming in. So that's our video for today. I appreciate everybody who stuck around and watched this video. I hope it was super helpful to you. I hope you enjoy this new feature. And let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. And until my next video, happy organizing. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.